It's easy to get stuck. I got stuck the same way it happens to any other person. By accident. I was studying to be a nurse and... Hey, I could have been a nurse, Well, one day, after classes, my friend, or my fiancé, if you're a stickler for details, took me to see a magic show. Oh boy, this magician. He did the usual tricks, the usual stuff. Billiard boards, cards, cigarettes, the classics. But it was my first time. I have never seen or I never even heard of a profession like that. I was knocked completely. I was sitting like this, and that's probably why he chose me. Call me to the stage. The stage. and plus he liked to call on girls in the audience who had their boyfriends in tow or their fiancés. Stickler. He said, pick a card, any card. The Queen of Hearts. I hold it close on my breast. He told me to sit on it. Excuse me. He provided the chair and, wait, he said, face up. And he reached his hand under my thigh. He pulled the card without even looking at it, naturally. Flipped it and slid it back under. And then he told me to part my lips. Okie dokie. Open your mouth wider. Yeah, sure. My fiancé is watching this. He took a small telescope and slipped it inside my open mouth. Just a bit. Just enough to give me the taste of the metal. And when I laughed, my teeth came down on it. Careful, he said. Be careful. I looked into his eyes. He gazed down my throat and saw straight through every part of my insides. And he guessed my card. They knew my card all right.